Welcome to my channel, Enthusiast Gardener. I am so glad you are here with me today, as we embark on an exciting and delightful gardening project that is both rewarding and enjoyable. We will grow beetroot in charming terracotta containers. This particular endeavor is perfect for a wide range of gardening enthusiasts, whether you are just starting out on your gardening journey as a beginner or if you are a seasoned gardener with plenty of experience under your belt. Together we will explore the necessary steps and tips to successfully grow your very own organic and delicious beetroots, ensuring that you can savor the fruits of your labor. You may be surprisingly intrigued to discover that beetroot seed is in reality not a single seed, but rather a fascinating cluster consisting of multiple seeds. Each of these clusters has the potential to yield not just one but two or even more vibrant beetroot seedlings, each ready to grow into a healthy and delicious vegetable. First, choose a terracotta container that is at least 12 inches deep. That depth is super important because beetroot needs room for its roots to grow fat and juicy underground. Also check for drainage holes at the bottom. These allow excess water to escape and help prevent waterlogging, which can seriously harm your plants. Next, fill your container with high-quality potting soil and leave about an inch of space at the top. This makes watering easier and keeps soil from splashing out. Now that we've got our container ready, it's time to give it an extra boost, and for that we're adding some composted chicken manure. This organic fertilizer is what I like to call the black gold of every organic garden. It's packed with nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, all essential for healthy beetroot growth. As your beetroot seedlings grow, this rich amendment will help support strong leaf development and encourage those beautiful deep red roots to form nice and plump. Sprinkle some composted chicken manure generously over the surface of the top soil. Using a hand shovel, gently mix the chicken manure into the top layer of soil, ensuring that it is evenly distributed throughout to maximize its benefits and promote healthy plant development. Utilizing your hand, proceed to gently create a smooth and level surface over the surface of the soil. It is important that this surface is not only even, but also maintains a consistent texture throughout the entire area to ensure optimal growing conditions. Now proceed to gently sow your beetroot seeds, ensuring that they are spaced approximately 1 inch apart in the soil. It is important to note that you need not be overly concerned about the potential crowding of the seeds, as we will address this issue by thinning them out after they have developed their true leaves, which is a natural part of the growth process. As we move forward, we will explore two options in greater detail, which will be revealed in the forthcoming update video. Gently and carefully place a thin layer of soil over the seeds about 1 inch, ensuring that they are covered adequately but not buried too deeply, as this can hinder their ability to germinate and grow effectively. It is important to promote optimal conditions for seed development by providing just enough soil to protect the seeds while allowing for proper air circulation and moisture retention. Using your hand, apply a gentle pressure to the soil to ensure that it makes proper contact with the seeds. This careful action will not only enhance the seed-to-soil interaction but also promote optimal germination by improving moisture retention around the seeds. By taking the time to press the soil lightly, you are facilitating a conducive environment for growth, which is crucial for the development of robust seedlings. Now proceed to add a layer of composted chicken manure over the surface of the soil. This practice will not only enrich the soil with essential nutrients but also improve its overall structure and enhance its water retention capabilities. By doing so, you will create a healthier environment for your beetroot plants to thrive, promoting better growth and yielding a more fruitful harvest. Ensure that the manure is evenly distributed to maximize its impact on the soil's fertility. Water the soil gently until it's moist but not soggy. Next, place your container in a sunny spot that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged by watering regularly, especially during dry spells. An incredibly effective tip for aspiring gardeners looking to nurture their beetroot seedlings is to utilize chicken wire to create a protective barrier as they begin to grow. This clever strategy not only helps safeguard your precious seedlings from pesky birds that might swoop in and disturb them, but it also allows your plants to thrive in a safe environment. And that's it. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the entire process of growing organic beetroot in a beautifully rustic terracotta container. In approximately 2 to 3 weeks, you should begin to notice the delightful sight of your beetroot seedlings pushing their way up through the soil, reaching toward the sun. This vibrant vegetable is relatively low maintenance, making it a fantastic choice for both novice and seasoned gardeners alike. However, it does require some basic care to thrive well. To ensure your beetroot plants have the best chance at success, keep the soil consistently moist but avoid making it waterlogged. In our upcoming update video, we will share valuable tips on how to effectively thin out your seedlings, which is essential for giving each plant ample space to grow and flourish. We'll also cover additional gardening advice that can make your organic gardening experience even more rewarding. So until our next video update, we wish you all the joy and success in your organic gardening endeavors. If you found this guide helpful and informative, we invite you to show your support by giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with fellow gardening enthusiasts, and liking our content. Your encouragement helps us to continue creating useful resources and engaging content for the gardening community.